Have you ever wondered why humans will behave in a different way in a different situations? Or why do they conform to some trends or to some social norms without even thinking? Or why each individual will have a different response to the situations? If you have ever wanted or thought of looking behind the curtains of human behavior, this is your invitation to join an online course in Applied Social Psychology, where textbook theories will meet the fascinating reality of everyday life. As you know, humans cannot exist without this society, and society is going to be always changing. Here, we are not just going to memorize the definitions, but we will understand how to use psychology as a lens to decode the world through real experiences, case studies, interactive sessions, and expert insight by professionals who will bring the field experience to the digital classroom. This course is perfect for the students who are looking to boost their research skills, elevate their future careers, and to simply understand themselves and others better. So are you ready to see world through a new applied lens? See you soon. Thank you.